Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you what is SOC battery and how to manage it. In the beginning, let's go to settings and energy. Here you can adjust SOC level, you can set auto, and the SOC balance point refers to the target battery holding capacity. The default target value is 25%. When the destination is convenient for vehicle charging, to make the best use of the electric driving power and reduce the fuel consumption, a lower SOC balance point is recommended. When the destination is not convenient for vehicle charging and there might be unavoidable traffic jam in the halfway, higher SOC balance is recommended. Auto save mode is related to the vehicle energy management priority. Prefer keeping the vehicle battery power and try to get closer to target SOC. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.